Oh, it
Yeah,
does.
keeps itching.
Maybe it's that sunscreen we put on it. Cool. Can you drive? Drive the fire truck. Are you embarrassed a little bit?
Say, coming through. I'm coming to save the day.
This is so cool. Look at all that gear over there, too. And Pedialyte, I see. Gotta keep hydrated.
That's the horn.
Pretty big. Look, see the headphones?
Right here. We wear those to protect our hearing, and so we can hear the radio and we can talk to each other because it's really loud. Sirens, motor, and everything.
Yeah. Seatbelt. Look, firefighters have to wear their seatbelt.
Everybody has to wear their seatbelt. I can't go anywhere until everybody has a seatbelt.
Just like us in the van. There's a fire extinguisher by your feet. Look. Do you have one of those at home? Yeah. Jameson has a fire hood and a hat, and a fire extinguisher. Yes, it did. That's why I gave it to you. Pump truck. Sprays water on it.
Where's Daddy?